In the 11th lesson, we enter the News tab, where you can view news and upcoming events from the economic calendar for the 8 major currencies in the Forex market. Traders can use this section to stay informed about high-importance red news from Forex Factory and limit their trades before and after these news events. At the bottom section, we can enable or disable the display of news before and after the news is released. In the next section, we can set the time range for displaying the news. For example, I select a 15-minute time frame, so that news is displayed for me 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after the news is released. In the next section, I can enable the display of news related to each currency. If there is no news available for me, the panel displayed in this section will appear empty. If there is any news available, it will be displayed here. Currently, the news related to the monthly GDP event for the GBP currency is shown in this section, and here we can see the remaining time until the news is released, as well as the time elapsed since the news was published. Currently, 12 minutes have passed since the release of the monthly GDP news for the GBP currency. By clicking on the All News option, the news will be hidden, and by clicking again, the news will be displayed for us. Also, by clicking on the Last News option, the most recent news after its release will be placed at the top section. Currently, the monthly core PPI event related to the USD currency is there, and this news will be released for us in 6 hours. If we enter a trade within the specified time frame, a warning will be issued for us. This warning displays the time range along with the news that was released during the period when we entered the trade. Currently, we entered a trade 15 minutes after the release of the news related to the monthly GDP event, and its warning has been shown to us. If I change this range and enter a trade, and we enter the trade within the specified time frame, we will not be issued a warning. Be sure to pay attention to this point. Go to the Tools menu, select Options, then go to the Expert Advisor tab, and at the bottom, enable the Allow Web Request option. At the bottom section, enter the Forex Factory URL in this field. You can get this link from the website and place it here. The address is NFS Fair Economy Media. You can enter it in this section, and then by clicking on the Confirm button, confirm the URL link and receive the news. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this lesson. We would be truly glad and sincerely appreciate it if you could kindly take a moment to share your valuable comments, thoughts, and suggestions with us in the comment section below. Your feedback is important to us,